something I couldn't help. I know I should have waited, but I just couldn't wait. I needed it because I was so used to having the full ecosystem when I was in Samsung, and now being on iPhone, your Samsung accessories such as my watches and all that other stuff don't really carry over very well with the, or at all, with the iOS ecosystem. So I had to make the jump. I know the iPhone is dropping their whole new lineup with the iPhone 14 and buds and the watches, but I had to do it, guys. I had to get the Apple Watch Series 7. I had to be fully immersed into the Apple ecosystem, watch, earbuds, phone, everything. So we finally did it. We're fully immersed now. We made the full transition. I did purchase this through my phone carrier, which is Xfinity Mobile. But here we are with the Apple Watch Series 7. So you get the Apple logo with the watch on the front. Looks real sleek. Pull tabs here, different than any other pull tabs I've messed with Samsung. So this is the Series 7 Midnight aluminum case with the Midnight sports band. It is the 45mm size. Of course, I had to get the biggest size, and I went with the 7 Series because it does have the larger screen and it's their latest product that they got until the Watch 8 comes out. But I am excited to see the difference between Samsung's ecosystem for smartwear and now Apple's ecosystem for smartwear, because everyone boasts about the Apple ecosystem for the smartwatches. Now the packaging looks real nice. This kind of reminds me of some like Google packaging with the colors. Looks real cool. You got all the Apple watches inside with the different bands and colorways, and then you get the watch itself casing. I'm assuming this correlates with the color that you got, and then of course you get the band. So like I said, I got the Midnight black band here. That's all that's inside of here. Pretty cool packaging. Obviously we're gonna open up the watch first, so let's go ahead and pull these pull tabs here. All right, nothing on the inside of the lid. First thing you're greeted with is some type of user manual. It says designed by Apple in California. Don't care. We get the charger cable. Oh wow, we actually get a charger cable for the watch. I'm sure we don't get no base for it, but you do get your little magnetized watch charger. And then of course the watch is right here and it's Midnight Glory. So it does have like some type of paper covering it, some sleeve. So it does show the size of the face that I got, the 45mm. First impressions. So I'm coming from the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Now this is definitely a different shape than the Galaxy Watch 3. The Galaxy Watch 3 was always my favorite because it holds that traditional watch look. I always like that because I feel like you can rock this with your fit more, and it just felt more classic, and it just, you know, that traditional watch look. I always like that. This one, you get obviously a new shape. Well, I get a new shape. It's more of a rectangular shape rather than a traditional watch, which I am gonna miss a traditional watch, and I'm also gonna miss this bezel. So with this bezel was how you would navigate with the Galaxy Watch 3. Now I'm not too upset because they are eliminating this bezel with the new watches that they just released with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. They kind of did away with what I enjoyed the most anyway, so I left at the perfect time. So I'm really not gonna miss the sensors that the Galaxy Watch has over the Apple Watch. I'm not really sweating that too much. One thing I am going to be experiencing a little bit different with this over my Galaxy Watch is this is also the cellular edition, so I will be able to utilize this like a phone in a sense, so I can leave my phone at home. This does have 32 gigabytes of size internal storage, so listening to music and all that other cool stuff that never did with my watch, but having that larger size because it's the cellular edition, and be able to not carry my phone with me if I don't want to will be different. I don't know if I could do that, but we'll try that out. I can never leave my phone phone. But yeah, we can now use our watch like a secret agent. This is the one that comes with the watch. Now they have so many different styles of bands through Apple. So when you buy a watch, if you buy it through their website, there's so many different ways you can customize this guy. I went through my carrier, like I said, and I just stuck with the basic midnight colorway. Keep it simple. I'm a very simple person. I don't like nothing crazy flashy. This is the band. You get a long variation, and then of course you get the shorter variations for people with the smaller wrists, which is nice, and then instructions on how to put it on. I don't believe I need any instructions. Seems very self-explanatory. You just go ahead and slide it in. First impressions out of the box, I am liking the size. It's definitely going to be a different look than coming from the traditional round size. So maybe it gives me a little bit more screen real estate over the old Galaxy watch, but I am going to miss this rotating bezel and all its clickiness. Now you do get this larger knob here, so this is what you would use to control, obviously, other than touching the screen. But yeah, this is the watch. I'm gonna go set this up. I am officially fully embedded into the Apple ecosystem, from the EarPods to the iPhone to now the Apple Watch. Definitely excited to see what features this offers over the Samsung ecosystem. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get updated on all those videos of my comparisons from the iOS to Samsung. I do love Samsung. This is a temporary situation, maybe, might be lifetime, I don't know. At the moment though, I am in the Apple ecosystem. I am enjoying it. Now that I'm fully immersed, I'm gonna get the full experience of everything they have to offer. Smash that like button so we get this video on the algorithm. Other than that, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all stay nerdy. Peace.